Hello traders. In this video I will review trading results using the Gold Pips V3 Expert Advisor from December 2022 to date. The resulting profit amounted to $801.68. For detailed drawdown, profit factor, profit ratio and other detailed information, I will explain in this video session. The details that I will discuss are as follows. If you are a new viewer, you can subscribe to this channel and of course it's free. You will get a free expert advisor along with the reasons when I upload the video. Make sure you turn on notifications so you can find out every time I upload a video. One. Detailed preset information. Okay, go ahead. This is the preset I use. And you can pay attention to the chart that is currently running. Expert Advisor Gold Pips V3 running on the gold ounce per US dollar pair. For other MT4 settings there are no special settings. Just like this. And for the terminal version I use version 4 build 1361. Even though in the Expert Advisor parameter I set 0.1 lot. But actual trading will automatically open the safest transaction from the smallest lot of 0.01. For detailed trading history I will switch to myfxbook.com account. Previously I had connected my MT4 trading account with myfxbook account. 2. Detailed information on trading results via myfxbook. Now I have switched to myfxbook account. Trading with my Gold Pips V3 Expert Advisor starting from December 29, 2022. And continues to grow until now on February 14, 2023. The estimated monthly profit is around 45%. Drawdowns that have occurred up to 43%. Deposits start from $1,000. The trading account that I use is from an Exodus broker with a leverage of 1 to 500. The total transactions opened from December 29 to date are 750 transactions, with a profit ratio of 62%. The resulting profit factor is 1.08. Next is trading summary information. You can pause the video if you need this information. From hourly information, transactions that are open at all hours in 24 hours. And the highest transactions at 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Trading activity. As I explained at the beginning of the video, my trading starts from December 29, 2022 with a capital of $1,000. And until now the Expert Advisor is still running to generate profit. Monthly analytics. Income in December is only 3 days because it starts from December 29th. December 2022 got a profit of 2.01%. January 2023 profit 46.13% and in February which is currently running a profit of 20.87%. 3. Download Expert Advisor Gold Pips V3. To get this Expert Advisor, you can visit the website that I have created at tradea.com. Type Gold Pips in the search field. And look for the download button at the bottom of the article. Okay, that's the video about Expert Advisor Gold Pips V3 review. I suggest you try it first on a demo account for at least 1 month. So you will know how to work from this Expert Advisor. I hope one day you can be financially successful. Thanks for watching till the end. Support this channel by clicking like and share.